The momentum in a trading market is very important. But how would you identify market momentum to ensure that you're only going to be trading with the direction of the trend of a trend? In this video, I'm going to share an indicator that you can use to identify the perfect trend and momentum of the market nearly every time. I will also share a strategy using this indicator that will help you open amazing profitable buy and sell trades with ease. So without wasting any time, let's open our Tradingview chart. So I'm on Tradingview, and this is what our chart is going to look like when we're done setting up our indicators. I'm going to be using a 1-hour time frame on a Bitcoin chart throughout this video to explain this strategy. First of all, I'll quickly remove these indicators from the trading chart so I can explain their settings from the beginning. First of all, let's add the main indicator to our trading chart. To do that, you're going to click on the Indicators tab and type Momentum Bias Index. After that, we'll add this one created by Algo Alpha. So this is our indicator. As you can see, it's composed of a histogram. We can see it has a red and green colored histogram. We also have this gray dotted oscillator, which is this gray colored dotted line. Whenever this histogram is colored green in color, just like it is here, this indicates that the buying momentum in the market is increasing. And if it changes its color to a darker shade of green, as it did here, this indicates that the buying momentum in the market is decreasing. This would basically mean that the trend in the market is about to shift from buying to selling. It could also indicate a market pullback. On the other hand, whenever this histogram is colored red, like this, it indicates an increasing selling momentum in the market. If it changes its color to a darker shade of red, as it did here, it indicates that the selling trend in the market is decreasing, or could also indicate a pullback in the market. Now, in order to use this indicator to trade, we would need the market momentum to be strong enough to push the price in the direction of our trade. And for that, we're going to be using this gray dotted line. By the way, if you don't feel like analyzing prices yourself, you can join my free Telegram group. Here I share daily the buy and sell positions I open. The link is in the description below this video. Whenever this histogram is above this gray dotted line, just like it is here, this indicates that the market momentum is strong enough and we can open a buy or a sell trade, respective to the direction of the trend. We will not open any buy or sell trade if the histogram is under the dotted line. For example, here we can see the histogram was under the gray dotted line, so we will not open a trade here. This indicator in itself is pretty good, but to create a simple strategy out of this indicator, we're going to add one more trading indicator to the chart. So we will open the Indicators tab again. Here we will type ADX. After that, we will add this one called the Average Directional Index to our trading chart. Most traders know about this indicator. It is a pretty useful indicator in the trading world. This is how this indicator looks like when we add it to our chart. After adding this indicator to our chart, first of all, we're going to add a horizontal line at the 20 level. We can select the horizontal line option from here, and then you can add this horizontal line at the 20 level. To ensure that it's exactly at the 20 level, you can open the settings of this horizontal line. Then in the input section, you can change the level to 20. After that, you can also change its color. I prefer white color, as it is easy to read on the trading chart. As you probably already know, the ADX, also known as the Average Directional Index, is a directional indicator. It's used to identify market's direction or the current trend in the trading market. We're going to use this red oscillator, also known as the ADX line, to identify the trend. Whenever it's above this white horizontal line, this would indicate that the market is trending. It could be in an upward or a downward trend. If you are wondering which exchange I trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on, you can press the link below this video and take a look at Bybit. If the ADX line is under this white line, this would indicate a non-trending trading market. In other words, it would mean that the market is ranging and we will not open any buy or sell trades. Now, before we move forward, firstly, we will change some settings for our main indicator. So we will open the settings of this indicator from here. In the Style section, we will disable the bullish TP signal and the bearish TP signal because we're not going to be using these options in our trading strategy. Now you can see our chart looks exactly like the trading chart I showed you at the beginning of this video. So now that our chart is set, let's go through the complete rules for entering a buy and sell trade using this strategy. So the rules for opening a buying trade are pretty simple. First of all, we will just wait for the ADX line to cross and close above this white-colored horizontal line. As we already know, this indicates that the market is in a buying trend. And then at the time the crossover happens, you would need the histogram of the momentum bias index indicator to be green in color. Keep in mind that the histogram should also close above this gray dotted line. So if these two conditions are fulfilled, we can open a buy trade here. For example, I will quickly open a buy position here. You can set your stop loss right under the most recent swing low. And for the take profit target, you could either use a risk reward to the ratio of 1.5 or 2. As you can see, this strategy is pretty simple to understand and implement. This was a profitable buy signal. Now let's go through another buy trade example. Here we can see we got another buy signal. As we can see, the ADX line crossed and moved above the white horizontal line, and the histogram is bright green in color and above the gray dotted line. So we can open a buy position here. I hope you have understood the rules for entering a buy trade using this strategy. If you want signals like these 3 times a day, then join my Telegram group for free buy and sell signals. Now let's go through the rules for entering a sell trade using this strategy. So the rules for entering a sell trade are exactly opposite to the rules for opening a buy trade. For a sell trade, the red-colored ADX line should cross above the white horizontal level. This indicates a trending market. Then we will look at the histogram, and for a sell trade, the histogram should be red in color, and the histogram should also be above the gray dotted line. This means that market has a strong selling momentum, and we can open a sell trade here. For a sell trade, we can set our stop loss at the recent swing high, and the risk to reward ratio should remain the same. I hope you guys like this strategy. Please make sure to test this strategy before using it in your trading. Also, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.